Hey guys, in the previous video we have discussed the chemical methods. So next we can move on to the electric disintegration or Bredig arc method, also known as dispersion method. In this method both the dispersion and the condensation takes place. For that we have a ice bath which is filled with many ice cubes. Okay, this is a ice cube. I'm not that much good in drawing, so adjust please. Then another beaker is immersed in that, and we have two electrodes, gold, platinum, anything. Okay, it should be same. Okay, the two electrodes should be of the same material. If it is gold, it should also be gold. If it's platinum, it should also be platinum. So we have two electrodes. Mainly we use this method to prepare gold, platinum, or any other metals of the electrodes. And that two electrodes, between these two electrodes an electric arc is stuck between them. Okay, and a dispersion medium is also being there in this small beaker, and when the charges flow, heat is generated, right? This heat then dispersed, and it simultaneously or suddenly it gets condensed. Why? Because ice bath is being surrounded, so it is easily get condensed, and the intense heat that is produced, it vaporizes the metal. Okay, it vaporizes the metal and it then condenses to form the particles of the colloidal size, and hence we get the colloidal soul. This is second method and it is very important in the examination point of view. And we have the third method, that is what we call as a peptization method. Peptization is nothing but the conversion of precipitate into a colloidal soul by shaking it with the dispersion medium by adding a small amount of electrolyte. Okay, the electrolyte may be KOH or NaOH, something like that. If it is KOH, we have both plus and minus ions. Okay, positive as well as negative is present. So suitable ions, or the positive or negative, they actually they get absorbed on the surface of the precipitate. Okay, they get absorbed on the surface of the precipitate, and then what happens is that they then, after the absorption on the surface of the precipitate, uh, then it breaks up into smaller particles of the size of the colloid. Okay, this positive or negative charges on precipitate developed on that surface, then it breaks up into smaller particular size of the colloids. And what is peptizing agent in that? We are using an electrolyte for this process to occur, right? So that electrolyte is what we call as peptizing agent. Okay, peptizing agent. And an example for this is that cellulose nitrate is peptized by organic solvent such as ethyl alcohol. Okay, ethyl alcohol. Okay, I forgot to write peptizing agent. So that electrolyte which is used to convert the precipitate into the colloidal soul is what we call as the peptizing agent. Okay, hope it's clear. Thank you.